Hello guys, today I am show how to make macOS Big Sur bootable USB using Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. Firstly, you required macOS Big Sur raw file. 16 or 32 GB pin drive. Balena etcher. Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Explorer++. An EFI folder. All required file links in below description. Double-click Balena etcher and open it. Select Flash from File and select macOS Big Sur raw file. After select macOS Big Sur raw file, you select your target for your pin drive selection, minimum 16 GB. After select your pin drive, click on Flash. This process 30 to 50 minutes, so wait for complete. After complete process, open Mini Tool Partition Wizard and configure your EFI partition given letter number. In my case, I give Z ladder for EFI partition. You can select your own choice. When you give ladder number EFI show on your computer. Then open Explorer++ for access EFI on your computer. Then replace EFI folder with EFI and close it. That's it. Your Big Sur bootable USB is ready for boot. Before install macOS Big Sur, you know all knowledge of your computer and laptop. About Wi-Fi card, Bluetooth, graphic card, etc. Carefully check everything and install Hackintosh macOS Big Sur on your PC and laptop. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.